Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Xcode and a current SDK are installed. Once done, create a new Swiftui app project. Name it, set the bundle ID, and pick your team so code signing is ready. Make sure to choose an iOS deployment target that supports Swift concurrency. iOS 16 is a good baseline. Open Content View. Swift and replace the placeholder with a simple text view to verify the build succeeds. Run on a simulator to ensure the app launches. Now you structure the app. Create reusable views and move complex UI into separate Swift files for clarity. Use at state for local state, at observed object for view models, and at environment object to share app-wide data. Once views are in place, implement a model that conforms to codable and fetch data using URL session with a sync/await. Make sure to update the UI on the main actor. Use task or task modifiers for lifecycle-aware calls. Test interactions and finish by adding persistence and polish. Integrate core data or lightweight file storage and confirm data migrations work. Once done, set app icons, a launch screen, and update info. List with privacy descriptions so the app passes review. Archive and attempt to build. If you hit signing errors, clean derived data, reselect your team, and regenerate provisioning profiles. Make sure to upload to test flight for testing. If networking fails, check app transport security and bundle identifiers first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.